as social beings, we require connection. It's just the right connection, authentic connection, genuine connection. And it couldn't be a better time to have that realization with all the planets lined up and all the interstellar things happening and the chaos erupting everywhere and people predicting all of these different outcomes. It couldn't be a more perfect time to remember that we're not alone and that there are others just like us who do believe and who do feel that on the other side of this chaos and distress is freedom. And that we don't have to wait. We literally just have to go within ourselves, get into nature, and find your peace.